Let us solve the equation a plus b equal to abc, b plus c equal to abc, and c plus a equal to abc. So we want to find the value of a, b, and c. So we write the equation once again. A plus b equal to abc. You see that right hand side are equal. Still, let's call this one to be equation 1. B plus c equal to abc. Let's call this to be equation 2. And c plus a equal to abc. Let's call this to be equation 3. Once again, we observe the right hand side of those three equations are equal. So we compare the left hand side of those equality. So comparing the left hand side of equality 1, 2 and 3, what do we obtain? By equality 1 and 2, a plus b equal to b plus c. And by equality 2 and 3, left hand side are equal. So b plus c equal to c plus a. Now you see that we can cancel something. B gets cancelled and c gets cancelled. So we can write a equal to c, comma, b equal to a. We can combine those two and say that a equal to b equal to c. In other words, value of those numbers a, b, c are all equal. Next, let's use equation 1 once again. In equation 1, we got a plus b equal to abc. So by equation 1, a plus b equal to abc. But just now we have observed that a and b and c, they got to be equal. So let's write a instead of b because b equal to a. Again, let's write a instead of b. And let's write a instead of c because c is equal to a. B is equal to a and c is equal to a. Now it's quite simple. A plus a, 2 number of a, equal to a into a square into a cube. Let's take everything to the left hand side. So it follows that 2a minus a cube equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. However, we observe that we can simply take a common and factorize and solve it. So we take a common, we will be left out with 2 minus a square. You see, product of two numbers equal to 0, then one of them has to be 0. So either a has to be equal to 0 or 2 minus a square has to be equal to 0. If a equal to 0, we'll do it separately. What about if 2 minus a square equal to 0? We take a square to the right hand side or take 2 to the right hand side to get a square equal to 2. From there it follows that a must be equal to plus minus root 2, square root of 2. If a equal to 0, you see that once again a equal to b equal to c. All the three values must be equal. A must be equal to b, b equal to c. So if a equal to 0, then we are forced to say a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. If a equal to root 2, then b also has to be equal to root 2 and c also has to be equal to root 2. And lastly, if a equal to minus root 2, then b also has to be equal to minus root 2 and c also has to be equal to minus root 2. Therefore, value of a plus a comma b comma c are given by, therefore, a comma b comma c equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0 or root 2 comma root 2 comma root 2 or lastly minus root 2 comma minus root 2 comma minus root 2. So you got 3 pair of solution and that's it.